Perfect. Nice job, you guys. So we can think of facts as bits of information that the author wants you to learn. Okay? So, facts. Things that are true. Information. It's information that the author wants to teach you. So, Alfonso, congratulations. Go sit with Mr. Staunton. This is now art class. So, with that being said, Dynasty, read the writing objective, please.
Today in writing I will create.
Read it, please.
Today in writing I will create facts.
So today we're going to work on creating facts using Miss Maitland's Magnificent Four. So we should have 4 sentences with 4 complete facts. And with that being said, we're going to make our paragraphs and our chapters
Please report to the main office. Kevin Shields to the main office.
more writerly, and that we're going to start our first sentence with "Did you know?" and then write our subsequent facts following. Okay? Following. So I will model in my writing. We'll do some action involvement, learning about fees, identifying the facts. And then when you go to your seat, you're going to continue to draft your chapters by creating your complete sentences filled with facts, okay? So you should direct your eyes over to the board where I have my story. And as you know, I'm writing about elephants. I'll wait.
Put your books away.
I'm writing about elephants. So I've already written a chapter about elephant ears. I'm now going to write a chapter about leaders of the faith. So, Miss Maitland's Magnificent Four, as you're sitting in slant looking at me, all it is are 4 sentences, 2 twin sentences combined. Today, however, we're going to start our first sentence. We're going to start our first sentence with, "Did you know?" Okay? So I've already planned my facts out so that we can expedite the process. So today we'll start with, did you know the matriarch leads the elephant family? Everybody read my first sentence. So hold up a finger for one sentence. So that's 1 thus far. So you're going to help me count. So you should all have 1 up.
1, 2.
Just hold up 1 because I've only written 1 complete fact. Here's my twin sentence. And you can read as I write.
The matriarch is a friend with the elephant. 2.
So, twin sentences. How many more sentences do I need? Who can tell me with a quiet hand, Nina?
5.
How many more sentences do I need? How many more sentences do I need?
You need
College talk.
2 more.
Why?
You need 2 more facts so you can get Miss Maitland's Magnificent Four.
Excellent.
Because 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Correct. So, let's keep going. Here's my third sentence. Read it as I write. So far, I have 3 sentences, 3 facts. I need 1 more to complete Mr. Maitland's Magnificent for?
When out and the matriarch leading the elephants cannot be available to survive.
Thank you. So let's read my 4 sentences together now. Did you know the matriarch leads the elephant family? The matriarch is a female elephant. The matriarch helps the elephant family find food. Without the matriarch, elephants would not be able to survive in their habitat. In each of your chapters, you should have a minimum of 4 sentences. If you want to add more sentences and go beyond Miss Maitland's Magnificent 4, that's great too. You may even need an extra page for the same chapter, and that's okay too. Yeah? More than okay. So chapter 2, Leaders of the Family, you could put it on another page if you ran out of space. Okay? Yes?
What happens if you don't have enough, like when you put all your paper and you have more than 2 papers?
You can have 3. Okay? That's okay. All right. So, Miss Maitland's Magnificent 4 is what? Is what, Spirit? What is it, Spirit?
It's better than the
Can you say that a little louder? Some of us have been talking and it's not acceptable. Thank you. Hold on, we'll wait again. Stand and slant, please. Everyone. Dakota, that includes you. Thank you. Filled with what? With facts. Factual information. Okay, great. Alrighty. So, today on our chart, I'm going to call up one person, well actually 4 people total, to write the facts that we found in this informational text. And then as one person writes here, you will identify them and write them on the back of your paper, okay? So, with that being said, we should all be looking at Life in the Hive. Let's all read the title together. So let's read it once through and then we'll identify the first fact. Some bees live alone. Others live in a large group called a colony. Oh, wait, let's pause there. We see a bold word that tells us we need to pay attention to this word. Everyone underline colony. Underline the bold word. A colony of honeybees builds homes called hives. A hive can hold thousands of bees. So we know that a large group is called a colony. So, what is the first fact? Alyssa, what is the first fact? Tell me.
First fact is
Okay, so that's more than one fact. What is the exact first fact in the text? Great. Come on up. Write it up here, please.
So we write it on our paper.
Everyone else should be writing it on the back of their paper. Some bees live alone. And you can label it number 1.
Much paper. I don't have a paper like that.
Yours is the same, it's just color. She's got color.
That's not mine.
Here.
Oh, she doesn't have it.
Here. Quickly, 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 quickly. Great. Thank you. It's up here if you need to copy it. Up here.
You need the board, right?
Alyssa, Jason, you can write it down too. You can wait.
What?
All of this moving is really going to make me go insane right now. Quickly, Riley. All right.
Jaden?
Zion, what's the second fact?
Others live in a large
Group.
group called a colony.
So let's rephrase that. Bees live in a large group called a colony. So rather than saying others, write the word bees, okay? Write it up on the board as for number 2, please. Everyone else, you should be writing bees live in a large group called a colony. Number 2. You could say bees live in a large group called a colony.
Number 2. What? Number 2.
And you can put it in your own words too. It doesn't have to be directly what the text says.
Live.
So can you read? Well, you're not done. Okay. You could just say bees live in a colony. Write the word colony. Just say bees live in a colony. Just write colony.
Just like
Colony. Colony is the word you circled on the other side. The word you circled, that's colony. Remember, this is number 2. Number 2 or
Okay. Zion, can you read what you wrote, please? Hold on. We'll wait, because we have people that need to pay attention. Thank you. Louder, please.
Bees live in a large group called a colony.
Called a colony. So circle the in and write A. And circle the S. All right, let's read the next sentence. A colony of honeybees builds homes called hives. So how could we shorten that phrase and reword it? Sydney, what is a fact that we could write about that sentence? What would you say?
A colony can have thousands of bees.
That is the last fact. We just read this sentence. Everyone read it. A colony of honeybees builds homes called hives. So how could we reword that in a simple sentence? Give her that marker, please, sign. Up here, you're writing it up here, so what could you say? Yep. So for fact number 3, draw number 3, please. What are you writing, Sydney? Bees build a hive. Very nice. And we know a hive is synonymous with a home. Great. Thank you for helping, Veronica. Now there's a boy who's writing the last one. The last fact. What is the last fact? Let's all read it together. A hive can hold thousands of bees. Capital B. Make that a capital B. And that should be a D. Zaire, would you like to write the last fact, please? What's the last fact, Zaire?